It is what it is. Okay, what year is this? Is a 20? Number which one? You know what I'm saying? 2020 Volkswagen GTI. Y'all can see that. GTI. Yep. I ain't never been in one of these before. I have not. Never. Okay. What made you want to get this? A Volkswagen.
The way it looks.
The way it looks.
The way it's designed. The way it feels.
You're not camera shy, are you?
And it's something new.
Yeah. It got a turbo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta let the audience know. Okay. He finna give me a ride, y'all. You want me to drive? Real. That's like 2 videos, and this is an automatic, y'all. You know what I'm saying? He not a stick dude or whatever. I mean, you drove a stick, right? You said you drove a stick. He drove a stick, but are you like used to?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he finna give me a ride. I'm scared. Oh, okay. It's a little spicy. Let me set the GoPro up, y'all. Okay. What am I finna driving? Yes, so you have to sit too far from the stand, but how do you right? Real. This is my first time driving a Volkswagen. Okay, and like sometimes when I'm driving an automatic, I'll be like, hold on, be looking for that third pedal. Blind spot. So, you can do it like that, or okay. Let me see. It's in sports mode. Okay, yeah. Give me the whole shebang. Is this touchscreen? Oh shit. Okay. Let's see. And then, okay, so the paddle shifters, do you have to put it a certain way to just use them?
Oh, you just do this. You're using it right now.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
It feels weird being in the passenger seat.
This is the first time you've been in the passenger seat of your own car? So you better be scared.
I don't know.
Okay, so let me, okay, I'll have to see what it's about, and then it just automatically goes up when it wants to. Okay, this thing is, you let this part back. How you let this part back?
What's that?
Yeah.
There's a little switch.
Oh, okay, I got it. I thought it was this big knob over here.
Nah, it's a little switch.
First time driving a Volkswagen. Okay. So when you brake boost, okay, like my car, the better gear in my car is 3rd gear. So I'm gonna show you when we go down that straightaway. So when you brake boost and you press on the brake, not all the way, but halfway, and then give it a lot of gas. I give a lot of gas. Give it a lot of gas, and then I can see the gauge on my car, so on the boost, so you'll see it go up, and I just let go of the brake, and then I wonder if your car can do it. Watch this. I'm gonna have to show you. See, you better not go. Let me go. God. So was you cool with the other dude when you got this car, or did that happen way before?
That happened way before.
Oh yeah, you did say it, because this car be all scratched up. Well, your insurance would have paid for it, but that's crazy. I'd have been so freaking mad. I would have to fight dude. I would be so mad.
What?
If he was supposed to help you back out and stuff or whatever, and I know the street he stay on probably dark as hell. It is dark as hell, yeah. Cause I think
he was on his phone.
Crazy.
Yeah, dog.
I don't even know if I got him on Snapchat anymore. Man, but I really want to go to Texas too. I mean, I probably could take off, but like, I gotta go to Houston. Your brakes is hella good. Sheesh. How many miles per gallon you get in this car?
In this car, 25 in the city, 32. Well, 25. Jeez. Yeah, 25 in the city and 32 on the highway.
That is hella good.
For a sports car.
Yeah, I like the steering wheel.
And I was telling my brother that has the 2017 Ford Focus ST.
So what happened? Did he end up?
John?
Your brother, you said something about that he is messed up or something, and he was voiding a warranty with all the mods he had or whatever.
Yeah, that's John. That was when he had a blown head gasket. gasket.
Oh, so did he get that fixed and stuff?
Oh yeah, he took it. We got it fixed.
Okay. Jeez, I know that had to cost
He had to
him.
remove the tune and everything. Remove his tune, removed his green air filter, his blowout valve.
Oh, so he kept. Oh, luckily he kept all that stuff.
Oh yeah, he kept that. He kept that.
That's smart. A lot of people start selling those type of parts. This is so smooth. And when I'm in sports mode, mine's just like it's bumpy, like. But this is smooth. I like it. Make sure nobody coming. They lights bright. Whatever car that was that passed by. Ooh. First time driving a Volkswagen GTI. GTI, not a regular Volkswagen. GTI.
To remind you, this is a base model.
Yeah. So the other model,
SE.
that is it way faster than this one? Because I don't know a lot about Volkswagen. And you got 180 on the dash. Oh, this motherfucker. Take off the governor chip or whatever. Man, you probably be pushing the dash.
Shoot. The governor wasn't on that Chevrolet.
It's just so like, I feel like this car's like techie, like all these fancy, it's fancy.
Oh,
My
yeah.
car is basic.
The SE is the same.
Okay.
Now the R is a different story.
So they got three. They got the GTI, the SE, and the R.
Yeah, they have the S, they have the SE, and then they have the
Oh my
R.
God, it's a lot. Okay. Let's see what this thing talking about. Get over there. Bet you got that thing over there.
Oh, to let you know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. That mug get up. Okay, look, watch this. I'm finna. Let me see if you can feel the difference. I'm finna downshift. Well, after these people get out the way. And it shifts really. These 8 gears kick in. Oh,
7 years.
Oh, 7 gears. Oh, jeez. Okay. Let me not red line. Alright. I'm gonna brake. You feel it? I don't know if you can do it, huh? You hear it? It's building it. You feel it?
Oh, damn. Okay.
Oh yeah, your car do it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. But like, you'll hear it. I mean, I know how it goes now because without hearing it, but you'll hear the turbo already spooling up, and then that's when you let go of the brake and you take off. That's how I get a lot of people when I'm racing. Like, they don't be expecting I'll be brake boosting and take off. They ain't gonna catch you, especially not in this. Yeah, fast.
That's what my brother was telling me. My stepmom was telling me, you better be careful with the car that you got. And I'm like, Mom, you drive a 08 Chrysler Class C Hemi, and I know how you drive, and I know how my dad drives, and my brother, and my older brother, and my other brother.
They all drive fast cars?
My brother Andre, yeah, he got a fast car. He basically got the Chrysler, just like your brother's. He basically has your brother's car, but white and black.
Let's see how I do it on a 40-year-old. My bad. I mean, like, you can feel it, but like, your brake is hella like. Your brake is like your horn. I ain't even scared like that, but dang, people don't know how to freaking drive. Golly. Yeah, you gonna have to learn how to brake boost ASAP. If you ever do want to race anybody, bro, I'm telling you. I mean, it'll wear out your brake pads. My brake pads are wearing out because I do it so much. But
my brother, like test drove the car and he scared me. Bro. He was like, here. He brought his friend over. He was like, yeah, this. If you get another Volkswagen, you need to get this one. And then my brother was like, John was like, yeah, come on, Juwan, come on. Bro was like, come on. I was like, crap, here we go.
you're not the like going fast. I mean, you'll go fast. I mean, I know you go fast because I remember I seen you when I had this car and you was like going on the highway or something and you flew past. I'm like, bro, why is he driving so fast?
Ooh.
You
when I had this car?
when you had your cruise.
Oh yeah, I always put it in L mode though.
I'm like, bro.
I know
flying.
L mode's not necessarily.
But you was still flying.
manual,
You flew past me.
Oh,
Them
yeah.
loud ass speakers.
Oh yeah.
You might get up. Yeah, definitely.
I've seen that. I've seen the cruise everywhere I go. I'm like, why is this car haunting me? Like, I see it everywhere.
Man, I'm glad you're okay, bro. That was a badass wreck. It could have been worse.
Yeah, one of my friend's mom, he was like, shoot.
Like, it was. So how
I'm
did it
surprised
happen?
I even, like, okay, we're basically driving, right?
Mhm.
And you see where that sign is, by where that street is?
Yeah.
Okay, there was a guy turning, so I'm thinking, okay, well, yeah, he's turning. He'll be fine. But my friend hears, like, tire screeching. I'm like, nah, bro, I don't hear no tire screeching. Super. Let's see, the STI or WRX. It's a nice truck. Looks like a French truck. Yeah, ended up doing burnouts. And,
Wait, was he trying to stop, or was he like, he was doing burnouts in the middle of the street?
He was doing burnouts in the middle of the street,
What?
but he was taking off. He was trying to take the corner too quick. He lost control of the truck. I saw him. He was coming too quick towards me, and he was coming too quick for me to react.
Dang.
So it was like head-on collision.
So was it his fault or your fault?
It was his fault.
Oh yeah, his insurance gonna be out the roof. Let's see this. I like using these paddle shifters. Sweet. I like your brakes. Hella fucking good.
You know the GTI logo is actually on the calipers of the brakes?
Yeah, I seen it was red, and it was like, yeah. You got bigger brakes in the front than you do the back though too, so these are good brakes. Like I know the Type R has Brembos in the front, and I don't know what type of brakes in the back, but I know they ain't Brembos. Sheesh.
Now my brother's car, my brother was describing his car as the more rowdier version of this.
Man, it was a freaking, when I had my Honda and I was standing there, I always
I
scared to
haven't
get
seen
in
your
front of him.
brother's car move in a while.
It's still right there? Same spot?
It's still there. Like, I
Damn.
mean, one day I drove by. Whenever I drive by, your brother's car is facing this way.
Yeah,
And
by the
then
mailbox.
One day I passed and it was facing this way, so I'm like,
So it hasn't moved in weeks.
does your brother not drive it? If I had a car like that, I'd be driving it.
I mean,
No offense.
I don't talk to my brother, so I don't know what he did. I don't know. I mean, I had to go over there and drop stuff off because my auntie, you know what I'm saying, she told me to take stuff over there. But I don't like speak to him no more. I haven't spoken to my brother like in weeks.
Why not?
Man, it's just like too much. Let me y'all, this is the end of this video, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna tell you, okay. Yeah, that's the end of the video, so yeah. I'm gonna let him drive my car. Well, do you wanna drive it or do you? Okay.
Yeah, I don't wanna miss them.
Okay, alright. But that's the end of the video. This is the first time he's been in SI, so y'all, yeah. Real. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.